For this problem, we're given 2 points and are asked to find the equation of the line through these 2 points. And I'll put these lines into slope-intercept form as well. First of all, on this one, notice that both points have y equal -5. If 2 points have the same y coordinate, all points on the line must have that same y coordinate, because lines that are starting off horizontal don't jump. But so the equation of this line must be the horizontal line y equals -5. But let's pretend you didn't notice that and do this the old-fashioned way. The first thing we need to find in such a problem is generally the slope, m. The slope is the change in the y divided by the change in the x, or you can think of it as y2 minus y1. That's our y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus -5, or -5 minus a -5. And on the denominator, we'll have the change in x, the run, which is 4 minus a -3. So 4 minus a -3. In the top, that's -5 plus 5. And in the denominator, that's 4 plus 3. So our slope is 0 divided by 7. Remember that 0 divided by anything is still 0. This is like taking a seventh of 0. So of course you have a slope of 0. A slope of 0 tells you that this is a horizontal line, which will have the equation y equals a constant. But again, let's just put it into slope-intercept form. Y equals 0 times x plus b, because the slope is 0 we just found. But 0 times x is just 0, so this is y equals b. So once we know b, we know everything. Now, we can substitute either of these points' coordinates into x and y in the equation. And notice that there's no x in this equation that we ended up with here, only a y. And notice the 2 y's that we could plug in are exactly the same number. So that's the equation of our line, y equals -5. Because the b term here, y is -5, is on both of these lines. So substituting one of these values for y in, for b, we have the equation of the line. This is the horizontal line through -5 on the y-axis.